Very good morning, students. In the previous class, we are completed preparation of alkyl halides from alcohols. Today, we are discussing preparation of alkyl halides from alkenes, alkenes, and halogen exchange method First one, student, preparation of alkyl halides from alkanes. Preparation of alkyl halides from alkanes. Observe the cursor clearly, student. Preparation of alkyl halides from preparation of alkyl halides or haloalkanes from alkanes. When alkanes treated with chlorine or bromine in the presence of sunlight to form mixture of isomeric haloalkanes. This reaction is known as free radical halogenation substitution reaction. When alkanes treated with chlorine or bromine in the presence of sunlight to form mixture of isomeric haloalkanes. This reaction is known as free radical halogenation substitution reaction. Free radical halogen substitution reaction, student. It is very difficult to separate the mixture of the components, and percentage yield of isomeric haloalkanes will be very less, student. In this method, the mixture of components, that is here they are mentioned, the mixture of isomeric haloalkanes, it is very difficult to separate mixture of haloalkanes present in the given mixture, and the percentage yield of isomeric haloalkanes also very less. With one example we are discussing, student. Let us consider butane. Or n-butane. Butane or n-butane. React with chlorine in the presence of sunlight or heat. It can form 2-chlorobutane and 1-chlorobutane. Here two isomers are formed. These isomers are known as position isomers. In your first piece we are discussing isomerism topic, that is the compounds which are having same molecular formula but differ in the position of the functional group are known as chain isomers, and the phenomenon is known as chain isomerism. Here, student, the chlorine atom is present on the first carbon. Here the chlorine atom present on the second carbon. Here another CH2 group is also present, student, that you can concentrate. CH2 taken twice. Total 4 carbons. No, it is the first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon. Here chlorine atom is presented second carbon. It is 2-chlorobutane. It is the first carbon. Here 2 carbons are there. 1, 2, 3. It is the 4. Therefore, it is 1-chlorobutane. It is 2-chlorobutane. Isomeric products form. These two are chain isomers. Hence, you can call it as isomeric haloalkanes. Both are haloalkanes, but these are isomers. Once again, I will tell students, two or more compounds having same molecular formula but differ in the position of the functional group are called chain isomers, and the phenomenon is known as chain isomerism. For example, student, 1-chlorobutane and 2-chlorobutane are the products obtained from butane. Okay, students, right? But these two isomeric haloalkanes are not possible to separate, and the percentage yield of these two products are very less. That is, the percentage of 2-chlorobutane and percentage of 1-chlorobutane also less. Next student. Therefore, hallucination of alkanes Therefore, hallucination of alkane is not suitable method for the preparation of the alkyl halide. Therefore, hallucination of alkene is not suitable method for the preparation of alkyl halides. Because students, here alkyl halide 100% product is not obtained. Here for example, if you take this one, 1 chlorobutane is obtained, 2 chlorobutane is obtained, both products are obtained. We cannot separate these two also, and the percentage yield of these two products also less. That's why it is not the preferable method for the preparation of alkyl halide from alkanes. In examination they will ask student, which method is not preferred for the preparation of alkyl halide or haloalkanes from the given sources: alkanes, alkenes, alcohols, and halogen exchange method they will give. Alkanes is the correct student. Alkanes is not the suitable method. Like that objective questions they will ask student. Next one student. The relative amount of isomeric haloalkanes depends on the following factors student. The relative amount of isomeric haloalkanes. The isomeric haloalkanes are formed student, and the percentage yield of isomeric haloalkanes depends upon the following factors student. First one, nature of halogen. That is, we are taking chlorine or bromine or iodine or fluorine, depends upon the nature of the halogen. The percentage of isomeric haloalkanes depend. Second one student, the number of hydrogen atoms substituted. How many hydrogen atoms we are substituting? That is also the percentage of the isomeric haloalkanes depends student. Next one student, nature of the hydrogen atom to be substituted. Here student, number of hydrogen atom, nature of hydrogen atom to be substituted. That is tertiary hydrogen or secondary hydrogen or primary hydrogen we are substituting. That is based on the nature of hydrogen substituted with the halogen atom, based on the number of hydrogen atom to be substituted with the halogen atom, and nature of the halogen. Based on these three factors, the relative amount of isomeric haloalkanes will be depends. The relative amount of the isomeric haloalkanes will be depends. In entrance point of view, they will ask questions like this student. The percentage of isomeric haloalkanes in the preparation of alkyl halides from alkanes, which of the following factor will be determines? Which of the following factor means nature of halogen, number of hydrogen atom to be substituted, and nature of hydrogen atom to be substituted. With Halogen, one factor student, that is nature of halogen. With hydrogen, two factors. Those are number of hydrogen atoms, nature of hydrogen atoms. Number of hydrogen atom, nature of hydrogen atom. Number of hydrogen atoms means either 3 or 4 hydrogen atoms substituted. Nature of hydrogen atom means tertiary substituting or secondary substituting or primary substituting Next student. The substitution of various hydrogen atom. Follows the given order. For example, student, tertiary hydrogen, secondary hydrogen, and primary hydrogen. If three types of hydrogen atoms are present, the halogen atom preferably first at tertiary hydrogen atom, second at secondary hydrogen atom, last at primary hydrogen atom, preferably at tertiary hydrogen atoms only, because the tertiary hydrogen atoms are present on tertiary carbon, and tertiary carbons are more stable when compared to secondary and primary carbon. That's why tertiary hydrogens are more preferable for halogen substitution. Okay students, that order you can remember student. What is the order of the substitution of various hydrogen atoms in the given order means they will give like this. Next one student, with the chlorine, relative rates of tertiary, secondary, primary hydrogen atoms are 5:3.8:1 student. Here with chlorine, halogen substitution takes place with chlorine, halogen substitution takes place with alkanes. Then what happens, student? The relative rates of tertiary, secondary and primary is this, student. 5 is to 3.8 is to 1. Here with the chlorine, it is the rate of the substitution, student. Just now we are discussing the percentage of relative abundance of haloalkanes depends upon isomeric haloalkanes depends upon the nature of halogen atom, depends upon nature of the halogen atom. Here chlorine is present, student. Here chlorine is present. The relative rate of substitution is 5 is to 3.8 is to 1. That is with the tertiary 5 relative rate of substitution. With the secondary 3.8. With the primary 1. With the primary 1. Why? Because tertiary is more preferable than secondary. Secondary is more preferable than primary. More preferable than primary. Clear, student? Next one. With the bromine, if halogen substitution takes place of alkane, with the bromine alkane substitution takes place, then what happens, student? The relative rates of tertiary, secondary and primary hydrogen atoms are 1600 is to 1600 is to 82 is to 1. 82 is to 1. Here tertiary is more preferable than secondary. Secondary is more preferable than primary. Secondary is more preferable than primary. That is based on the nature of the halogen atom also, the halogen substitution of alkanes will be takes place. Alkanes will be takes place. Yes, student. With the chlorine, tertiary rate is 5, but with the bromine tertiary rate is 1600. 1600. With the chlorine, secondary and primary rate is 3.8 is to 1. With the bromine, 82 is to 1. That's why bromine is more preferable when compared to the chlorine. When compared to the chlorine. Clear, students? This is about preparation of alkyl halide from alkenes. Briefly, I will explain once again, student, clear to you. In board point of view, how they are asked questions means explain preparation of alkyl halides from alkenes. That theory part is like this, you have to write. When alkanes react with chlorine or bromine in the presence of sunlight to form mixture of isomeric haloalkanes, this reaction is known as free radical halogen substitution reaction. Finish it, student. But in okay, students, like this we are preparing alkyl halides and haloalkanes from alkanes. Next, students, here once again see the reaction, student. Butane react with chlorine or bromine in the presence of sunlight to form 2-chlorobutane and 1-chlorobutane. This is not the suitable method for the preparation of alkyl halides. The relative amounts of isomeric haloalkanes depends upon nature of halogen, number of hydrogen and nature of hydrogen atom. The substitution of various hydrogen atom follows the given order, student. With the chlorine, relative rates; with the bromine, relative rates, students. In a competitive point of view, these rates are important, students. In board point of view, they never ask, student. Right. Here onwards we are discussing, student. Next one, student. When alkanes is having only one type of hydrogen atom, only one type of product is formed, only one type of product is possible. That is, isomeric haloalkanes are not formed. Isomeric haloalkanes are not formed. For example, student, neopentane. For example, neopentane react with chlorine. React with chlorine in the presence of sunlight. In the presence of sunlight, it can form neopentyl chloride. Neopentyl chloride. Here observe the given compound, student. It is the structure of the neopentane. Structure of the neopentane. Here, student, all these 4 carbons are primary carbon, right? Here, if you replace this hydrogen atom with chlorine, one product. With chlorine, one product. With chlorine, one product. With chlorine, one product. Here, all these hydrogen atoms are primary hydrogen atoms, and the chemical environment are also same, and the chemical environment is also same. Therefore, if you replace any one of the hydrogen atom, this type of product is only formed, other product is not formed. Hence it is the correct student. Neopentane in the presence of chlorine and sunlight gives neopentyl chloride. When alkanes is having only one type of hydrogen atom, only one type of product will be possible, in examination they will ask student, which of the following alkane can give only one type of monohalogenation product? That is, if the alkane is having only one type of hydrogen, then in this cases one product only possible, like this they will give student, give. Very important example student. Next one student, NCERT solid example we are discussing student. NCERT solid example. Identify all possible monochlorination structural isomers expected to be formed on free radical chlorination. Identify all possible monochlorination structural isomers expected to be formed on free radical monochlorination, with CH3 taken twice, CH2 CH3, taken twice, CH2 CH3 student. That is the given compound student. See student, the complete structure of this compound is as follows student. That is CH3 taken twice, CH2 CH3, CH3 taken twice means CH3 groups, CH2 and CH3. Here this carbon atom is primary carbon atom, this carbon atom is secondary carbon atom, and again these two carbons are primary carbons, and this carbon atom is tertiary carbon atom. These two carbon atoms are having same chemical environment. Hence, if you replace this hydrogen atom, same product is obtained. Will be obtained. The nature of hydrogen atom in these two cases will be same because they are having same chemical environment. It is bonded to carbon, which is methyl, which is bonded to this carbon, which is methyl group. Therefore, same chemical environment. But this carbon is different. Even though it is primary carbon, it is bonded to secondary carbon. This carbon is different. It is the tertiary carbon. Simple thing student. Here, three primary carbon atoms are present. Among three primary carbon atoms, two are having same chemical environment, whereas this carbon atom is having different chemical environment. Hence here, with the primary carbons and primary hydrogens, two products are formed, and secondary carbon, another third product is formed, and tertiary carbon, fourth product will be formed. At the beginning we are discussing student, the number of isomeric haloalkanes depends upon the number of hydrogen atoms and nature of hydrogen atom. Here student, four different, 1 2 3 4 5 different hydrogen atoms are present. Among these, two are same. Therefore, four different hydrogen atoms are present. Four products are formed. With this, primary haloalkane is formed because it is the primary carbon and the corresponding hydrogen is primary hydrogen. With this, secondary haloalkane is formed because this carbon is secondary and the corresponding hydrogens are secondary hydrogen. But with this, tertiary haloalkane is formed because this carbon is tertiary carbon and the hydrogen bonded to this is a tertiary hydrogen. And these two carbons and hydrogens are also give the primary haloalkane because these two are primary carbons and the corresponding hydrogens are primary hydrogen. Therefore, one with these two, one product, 2, 3, 4. Totally four monochlorination products are possible. Very simple students, observe carefully. Here CH2Cl. If this hydrogen atom is replaced student, then what happens? CH2Cl, one hydrogen atom with one chlorine, one hydrogen atom with one chlorine. One product is formed. It is the first product, student. Second product, student. Second product. Again, among these two primary hydrogens, any one of the replaced, student, either this or this, either this or this. For example, this carbon atom will be replaced. This primary hydrogen atom of carbon will be replaced. CH2Cl, CH, CH3, CH2, CH3. This product is obtained, student. Both are primary haloalkanes. Both are primary haloalkanes. Here the halogen atom is bonded to primary carbon. Here the halogen atom is bonded to primary carbon. But chemical environment will be different, student. But chemical environment will be different. CH2Cl, CH, CH3 taken twice. CH2Cl, CH, CH3, CH2, CH3. Both are primary haloalkanes but different. Hence, we can consider as the two different products. Third one, student, with the secondary carbon. If you replace this hydrogen atom with chlorine, then what happens, student? CH, CH3 taken twice, CHCl, CH3, CHCl, CH3. Next, fourth product, student, tertiary hydrogen atom. That is CH3 taken twice, CCl, CH2, CH3. Totally 4 products are formed, student. Totally 4 products are formed. It is NCERT solid example, student, and this type of questions we are expecting in competitive point of view also. Like the questions are like this: how many structural isomers are possible for the given compound? 4 structural isomers are possible. 4 structural isomers are possible. Clear, students? Right. Next, students, in this only some excess information. Right, students. Fluorination. Now we are discussing chlorination, student, and the same properties for the bromination also. For example, if we consider fluorination, that is alkanes react with the fluorine in the presence of sunlight to form fluoroalkanes, we are expecting. But fluorination is not possible. But fluorination is not possible with alkane because fluorine is because with fluorine explosive reaction takes place, student. Explosive reaction takes place due to exothermic nature. Due to exothermic nature, when fluorine react with the halogen, so much amount of heat energy will be liberated because it is exothermic reaction and leads to explosive reaction. That's why fluoroalkanes cannot prepared by using this method. And sometimes cleavage of carbon-carbon bond also takes place. In alkanes, CC bond is present due to liberation of high amount of energy. The alkanes, the CC bond of alkane also cleavages. That's why this method cannot use for the preparation of fluoroalkanes. Next one, student. Iodoalkanes are also not possible, student. Iodination will be reversible because iodine will be very weak halogen. The iodoalkanes by using this method are not possible because the reason will be iodination will be reversible in nature. Due to this, it is carried out in the presence of strong oxidizing agents like HiO3, hydroiodic acid, and HNO3, nitric acid. Excellent example I will give, students, because the oxidizing agent destroy the hydrogen iodide form. The iodination will be reversible. Due to this, the iodination, that is, it is carried out in the presence of strong oxidizing agents like HiO3 and HNO3. For example, student, when methane react with iodine, according to concept, it can form methyl iodide and hydroiodic acid. Hi will be strong oxidizing agent. It readily react with the methyl iodide molecule to form iodine and methane molecule. The hydrogen iodide ready to convert into iodine molecule, ready to convert into iodine molecule. That's why here reversible reaction symbol will be indicated, student. If hydrogen iodide react with HI, again the reactants are regenerated. Hence, iodination is not possible. Iodination of haloalkanes is not possible. To avoid this, to this reaction mixture, we are adding some amount of strong oxidizing agent like HiO3. The formed Hi, hydrogen iodide, react with HiO3. It can form iodine plus water molecule. It can form iodine plus water molecule. Therefore, student, as the concentration of hydrogen iodide decreases, then what happens, student? The concentration of product decreases. The concentration of product decreases. Therefore, as the concentration of Hi decreases, means reversible reaction is not possible. If hydrogen iodide is present, that can react with methyl iodide, it can form methane plus iodide. But this product is not present, means what happens, student? Reversible reaction is not possible. To consume or to destroy the hydrogen iodide formed in the given reaction mixture, the HiO3 or sometimes HNO3 is also used. The hydrogen iodide react with hydroiodic acid. It can form iodine and water molecule. It can form iodine and water molecule. Iodine and water molecule. Clear, students? Right. It is about iodination. It is about iodination. Complete information of alkanes we are given, student. Observe, students, 1 second.